Hi everyone, welcome to AV Creatives. Like and support our channel. Today, we will discuss the Sun, the star at the heart of our solar system. Its gravity holds the solar system together, keeping everything from the biggest planets to the smallest bits of debris in its orbit. The Sun. The word explains that a star is a hot, glowing ball of gas and highlights that, despite being able to see stars at night, the Sun is the only star visible during the day. It notes that the Sun is approximately 93 million miles from Earth, making it much closer than other stars, yet still very far away, about 400 times the distance to the Moon. However, it's a good thing that Earth isn't too close to the Sun. If we were any closer, it would be far too hot for life here. The Sun's surface is extremely hot, and its atmosphere is even hotter. The Sun's core is the hottest part of all, reaching a sizzling 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Our Sun is about 100 times wider than Earth, but it is just an average-sized star. Astronomers have discovered some stars that are 100 times larger than the Sun and others that are 10 times smaller. The Sun is also right in the middle of its life cycle. Currently, our Sun is in a stage known as a yellow dwarf. It is about 4.5 billion years old. In another 5 billion years, the Sun will evolve into a large, cool star called a red giant. A few billion years after that, it will become a small white dwarf star. It will shrink to around the same size as Earth, but it will weigh 20,000 times more. But even though our Sun is kind of an ordinary star, there are also a few things that make our Sun quite special. For example, we can't live without the Sun. Life on Earth depends on the Sun. Here are just a few reasons why. The Sun's gravity holds our entire solar system together. Our solar system is even named after the Sun. The Latin word for sun is sol. Heat from the Sun makes Earth warm enough to live on. Without light from the Sun, there would be no plants or animals, and, therefore, no food, and we wouldn't exist. The Sun's neighbors. In our solar system, the closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. Our Sun's closest star neighbor is called Proxima Centauri. It is approximately 4 light-years away. What does the Sun look like? First of all, you should never look directly at the Sun without very special protective eyewear. But lot of space research agencies has many great pictures of the Sun for us to look at. Scientists use telescopes with filters to capture images of the Sun. These images help us learn about our star. May 2024 has already proven to be a particularly stormy month for our Sun. During the first full week of May, a barrage of large solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs, launched clouds of charged particles and magnetic fields toward Earth, creating the strongest solar storm to reach our planet in 2 decades, and possibly one of the most impressive displays of auroras on record in the past 500 years. Thanks for watching AV Creatives. Stay tuned and stay in touch with AV Creatives for interesting and informative videos.